Continent 8 has been a product development leader for more than 25 years, a major achievement in the fast-moving fashion world. From the headquarters in Singapore, with offices in Jakarta, Hanoi and Amsterdam, Continent 8 closely works alongside the world's most renowned clothing brands.
And we are in an ongoing, let's say, journey to get better and better.
From product development to product creation to product delivery, everything is executed to the highest possible standards as requested by our clients. Major brands and retailers in Europe, the USA and Asia are served by a devoted and passionate international team. A wide range of fashion and sports products including outdoor wear, blazers, suits, trousers, knits, shirts and blouses are created throughout the different design and development locations. Continent 8 just wants to create beautiful products for our clients, featuring special tailoring techniques, customized fabrics and expert finishing, thus adding value to all products and clients' desires. Our operations in Jakarta and Hanoi consist of large Q&A, technical and merchandising teams, as well as over 30 professionally trained tailors in our exclusive design and samples lab, so creating a fast turnaround for new developments and sample production. In Amsterdam, we established a unique trend and design lab. Experienced fashion designers follow the market trend on a daily basis, continuously developing new design concepts customized to our clients' demands.
Especially the last 4 or 5 years has been pivotal. It started with the integration and the partnership with Penn Brothers.
In 2011, Ludianto Satijo visited Hollett in Continent 8 and was instantly impressed with their development of lifestyle and fashion programs. A partnership between the public-listed PT Penn Brothers Group, PT Hollett International and Continent 8 was born, cementing in a successful and unique joint venture. Penn Brothers Group covers 15 manufacturing locations employing over 23,000 employees, who collectively produce over 75 million garments per year. From this, business processes are aligned without losing the original DNA of Continent 8, which remains totally committed and devoted to our production partners, where exclusive products are being customized and created. Now, the integration process has been gradual to the point where the Penn Brothers Group and Continent 8 are starting to work towards the next phase of integration, with the target to offer a further one-stop opportunity for our clients. The international fashion and sports market requires integrated production partners who are financially stable and have the latest technology and equipment combining both product development and innovation. Continent 8 now sits alongside Penn Brothers in their factory premises, so stepping in the actual merchandising environment and controlling manufacturing to increase efficiencies.
We are always talking to try to bring added value by bringing a state-of-the-art laundry like this.
The opening in 2014 of our state-of-the-art laundry facilities, La Tintoria, equipped with the Italian Tonello's latest computerized laundry technology, has added greatly to the ability to bring further consistency and innovation to the finishing touches of the desired garment. Through extensive garment dyeing processes, Continent 8 widens its production options and qualities. Recently, Continent 8 became a major partner with Nusantara, one of the largest suppliers of recycled yarns. Based in Thailand, Nusantara recycles over 4 million bottles per day, which are saved from landfills. The cooperation will be from yarn manufacturer to garment manufacturing to end user. Continent 8 might be 25 years old, but our ambitions and goals have never been bigger. Our company is excited to play its part working towards the group's $1 billion target within the next 5 years. Indonesia, with over 250 million people and one of the youngest populations in the world, will be a great breeding ground for Pan Brothers and Continent 8 to reach its combined target. We will become a true global manufacturer leader in the fashion and sports garment industry, achieving excellence and inspired innovations. An exciting journey ahead.